Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about an interesting topic, which is how we not only can add map in Excel, but also can fill it. So without further ado, let's dive in. And there we go. So here you can see we are in our computer screen, and actually what you see here is just a blank workbook. Nothing is there. And what I'm gonna do here is, first of all, I would like to create a table of home. I would like to create map of. So for example, here I'm gonna say states. Okay. And then I would like to add all US states here, which honestly I'm not aware of. And for that, let me take help of ChatGPT, and I'm gonna say list down all states of USA. And there we go. And actually I would like to have them in a form of table, so I'm gonna say in a tabular form. Okay. And then also add some interesting facts about them in table, and probably it's gonna create a table with some interesting facts about these states. And there we go. So all here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, or probably I will download this, and then let me open this up. I'm gonna open again this in Excel, and let me actually copy this all. Now I would say it is totally up to us. I'm gonna paste it here, and let me recognize all these states as geography. Okay. So now I have selected all these states, and let's go here in data tab, and let's click here on geography. And here we go. Here we can see how all these states are now being recognized. And not only that, actually we can also add more rows here, and for example we can add other features of these states. For example, I would like to see the area. So here you can see I have added area of these states, and let me pull it down so that we can have area of all these 50 states. And there we have it. Similarly, we can also add other data, for example capital or major city, and again here we have it. Now time came to plot them in map. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna select the state data and probably the capital, or even we can have area. And now I'm gonna go back here and insert maps and then fill maps. And there we go. So here we have got this map of USA, and then we can customize it based on our requirement. We can also change the color of it the way we want it. And then I also would like to have the capital named there. So let's add this data label, and then I'm gonna say show more data label, and here let me actually put the capital. And there we go. So here we can see how easy it is to create data like this. Now obviously we require to do some fine tuning. For example, here we can see the fonts are slightly bigger, so I can make them small so that they can fit in, or probably I can use something else so that it fits in. And in similar way, we also can select even the area and can form a different kind of plot. So let me this time select all this data, and then again go to insert maps. And this time here you can see, let me delete the old map. We can see the data, which is also creating kind of contrast based on the area. So the larger area of state have a different value that also can be customized based on our requirement. In a similar way, guys, we can create map of any country, customize it based on our requirement. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.